Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 2, Polynomials. Your earlier classes, you have learned algebraic expressions. What do you mean by algebraic expressions? Expression which contains variables and constants combined by the fundamental operations of mathematics Which are the fundamental operations of mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So what is that? Expression which contains variables and constants combined by the fundamental operations of mathematics, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four fundamental operations of mathematics. See, for example, I can take you x plus 3. Your variable is there, constant is there, combined by addition. So it is a algebraic expression. Now we take 2x squared plus x plus 1. Multiplication, addition, so it's also algebraic expression. 2 root x minus 1. This is also multiplication, subtraction. It is an algebraic expression. Now take x cube plus x squared, x by x squared. Here also addition, division, and it is a variables. It's not compulsory, there should be a constant. So all these are known as algebraic expressions. Now you have learned this polynomial. What do you mean by a polynomial? What is the difference between a polynomial and algebraic expression? You can say polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression. What is the speciality? So polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. Should be a non-negative integer. So polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression in which the exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. I can take the same examples. First, let me explain you how to find out the degree of the polynomial. Here, x plus 3. Degree of the polynomial is the So you know this one, how many terms are this in this algebraic expression? Terms are separated only by plus sign or minus sign. Here the plus is dividing this x plus 3 into two terms. This is one term, this is a second term. You have to see the power of the variable present. So therefore here x, what is the power of x? Power of x is 1 here. And when you take the constant term, so there is no variable present over there, but this 3 you can write it as 3x raised to 0, because x raised to 0 is 1. Therefore, this 3 you can write the degree of this 3 is 0. Therefore, any constant term degree is 0. Why the constant term degree is 0? 5. 5 is a constant term. Degree of the 5 is 0, because 5 you can write it as 5x raised to 0. This term, the variable is x raised to 0. The power of x raised to 0 is 0. Therefore, any constant term, the degree is 0. X plus 3. There are two terms. The power of this x, the variable is 1. Then that power of this, that is the constant term degree is 0. Here the degree is 1, which is the highest degree. Highest degree is 1. Therefore, the degree of this algebraic expression x plus 3 is 1. Now you see here, there are three terms. 2x squared, that power of the variable is 2. X, the power of variable is 1. Then constant term 1, the power of variable is 0. And which is the highest power? Highest power is 2. Therefore, the degree of this expression is 2. So I hope all of you know how to find out the degree of the expression. Same is in the case of polynomial also. And in the difference between algebraic expression and the polynomial, polynomial should have the power of the variable should be always non-negative integer. That means exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. What do you mean by this non-negative integer? So integers are, positive integers, 0, negative integers. Non-negative integer means this negative integer should not be there, only 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, non-negative integer means you can say all, it should be a whole number. Now you see that you take the same example, x plus 3. What is the power of this variable? So it is 1. Therefore, x for a variable, this is the variable, the power of the variable is 1. So 1 is a whole number. Therefore, you can say x plus 3 is a polynomial. X plus 3 is a polynomial. Now take the next one, 2x squared plus x plus 1. Exponent of the variable here is 2, here it is 1. Therefore, you can say it is also a polynomial. Next one, 2 root x minus 1. Here this one you can write it as 2 root x is x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. Here look at here. Here the exponent of the variable is a fraction. But for a polynomial, exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. That means it should be a whole number. Here 1 by 2 is not a non-negative integer. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. But it is an algebraic expression. 2 root x minus 1 is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. The next one, you take this one, x cube plus x by x squared. So you can write x cube by x squared plus x by x squared. Here it is x raised to 1 plus this is x raised to 1 minus 2, that is x raised to minus 1. So here this is the power is 1, here it is minus 1. Therefore, this one it is an algebraic expression but not a polynomial. That means you are learn here all the algebraic expressions are not polynomial, but all this is an algebraic expression, and this is an algebraic expression, but these two are not polynomial. So you can say that polynomial is a special type of algebraic expression. What is the speciality there? Exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integers. Therefore, you know all polynomials are algebraic expressions, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Only one speciality is there. What is the speciality of a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which exponent of the variable should be a non-negative integer. So what is the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable involved. Highest power of the variable involved. So 2x raised to 5 minus x cube plus 7. Here the power is 5, here the power is 3, here the power is 0. That is the degree of this term is 5, degree of this term is 3, and degree of this term is 0. Therefore, which is the highest power? Highest power is 5. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial is 5. So, degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable involved. So, you take a polynomial in x. So, here you see this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial, the variable given is x. So, you can denote this polynomial as px. So, px is a polynomial in x. The highest power of the x involved in this called is the degree of this polynomial. You take another one, 2y squared minus 3y plus 1. This is a polynomial in y. Therefore, you can denote this one as a py. Py means the polynomial in y. So, what is the degree? The first term degree is 2, second term degree is 1, this one it is 0. Which is the highest power? Highest power is 2, therefore it is the degree is 2. So it is x squared minus 5x raised to 4 plus x plus 3. Which is the highest power? It is 4, therefore here the degree is 2. So each polynomial you can write it as, here it is a polynomial px.